Yeah.
Checks out. The neighbors up there know these neighbors real well, and they know they have a brother-in-law named Brett Hobbs, and they recognize from the Ring video and stuff like that. So this checks out. It's good
Yeah,
to go.
I was thinking it does too. I was just going doing due diligence.
Yeah.
All right. Won't let him use.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Who am I speaking to?
This is the owner of the house.
Can you see me?
I can see you.
Oh, perfect. So you know I'm a deputy.
Yeah.
What's your name?
It's Matt McAlpin.
Okay. Is your brother-in-law supposed to be here?
Yes, he is.
Okay,
Did my
cool.
neighbors call? I forgot to tell them.
No, there's some sort of mix-up. I'm sure he'll tell you the full story, but no one's in any trouble, and we'll let him come on in.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, all right.
All right, take care.
All right, thanks a lot. Is he over there? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Brett, come here. Brett. Did you get in the garage, buddy?
Hey, Matt.
Yeah. What happened?
Hey, sorry.
That's right.
I feel bad. I jumped your neighbor's fence thinking it was your house. 'Cause the garage. So, yeah, he called the cops on me. Understandably.
Did not do that.
I swear. The back door, trying to open it. And he's like, honey, call the cops.
Dude, whose house did you do it to?
I think it's 3. When you're looking at your house, it's 3 to the right. 1273. So I owe him a big apology.
Oh my gosh, dude. That's why you couldn't get in the garage. Oh my gosh. That's one of the best stories I've ever heard. You're lucky you didn't get shot.
Exactly, right?
Yeah, dude. If you would have been in my house, you would have been shot.
I know. I was thinking that same thing. He came to the door and he's like, honey, call the cops. And I was like, I'm sorry. I booked it around the corner, hopped the fence, took off.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is awesome. Oh my gosh.
Insane.
That's a story. Okay, go see if you can get in the garage.
Yeah, I already got in.
You did? You didn't let the dogs out though, did you?
No. That's the best part is I was trying to I was going to hide at first. But I didn't.
But I didn't. They didn't arrest you though, did they?
No, they just sat me on the curb.
Oh my gosh.
Suspect. Yeah,
oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
That's one of the best stories ever. You haven't told Raylyn, have you?
No, she's asleep.
Because I texted her, where's Brett? I was like, I can't get a hold of him. Do you know if he got in the house or not?
Oh, the guy the officer. Because he's like, let me see your phone. I was like, he's like, do you have any proof that you're supposed to be here? And I was like, just text messages. So he scrolled through them probably when you called.
He came and rang the doorbell, and so I answered it.
Yeah. That's a good story, huh?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
I was gonna hide. I wasn't gonna come back out.
It's better that you didn't hide though, because they would have been looking for you.
Exactly. That's what he said. He's like, you saved us a lot of trouble. I was like, yeah, I couldn't just not come back. I felt bad. I felt bad for your neighbor. He's gonna be pissed.
You have to tell me who it was. You have to give me the exact number. I'm interested to see who it was.
Okay. Oh, yeah. What a way to end the day.
It's all good as long as you didn't get arrested. You're fine.
Yeah. Didn't get shot and didn't get arrested.
Yeah.
So, 2 positive.
All right.
Alright, dude. Well,
Go inside. Make some chicken wings or something, and relax and watch a movie.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to sleep for a little bit.
All right, buddy. Sounds
Bye,
good.
bro.
Okay, bye.